Good day, everyone. How are you guys? I'm Olalekan by name. So, we want to talk about video editing. If you can remember, we talked about avatar animation video yesterday. Sorry. Then the continuation of avatar animation video is this. So, after you have done the avatar animation, you have created your plot. Because that plot that you have created, after you have saved it, it will save in your gallery on your phone. So, if you play it at the end of the video, you see that it will display the logo of Plotagon at the end. And if you are doing video like that for a client to your advert, you should not show that logo of the app. So you have to cut it. So for you to cut it, you now take that video to InShot app. That's where you edit your video. That's where you are going to edit it. So that's what we are going to treat now. So what we are doing now is on video editing, and we are using InShot app. We talked about InShot app before. So the main work of InShot app is also this: you take your avatar video there, then you cut it, or whatever you want to customize or add effect. So let's proceed now. So our InShot app. So when you click on our InShot app, as normal, you click the InShot app, the video, the new one, you can see plus. So if you are going to search for the video you have done that you want to edit. So if you can remember, the avatar we done, we create a video. So let's search. You need to signify the video out so that you won't pick the wrong one. So let me pick this. I think it should be this. So this is the video. The video, if you take it down to InShot app. So if you play it, you will see what I'm talking about. The video at the end, you will see the logo of that Plotagon. So we are going to trim it out. So let's play the video. Just play the video and see. You press the play button at the main.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, Jessica, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
I sent for you because we need social media manager to handle all our social media, and especially for ads and sponsor on Facebook and Instagram.
Sir, I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's get in touch with lekxysolution. They are social media specialists, such like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media ads, website design, software development, graphics, and many more. We can contact them or WhatsApp on this number: 08030886355, or Facebook page @lekxysolution, Instagram @lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So thank you. So can you see now? You can see created by Plotagon. You can see Apple Store. All these things you got it. You are doing a professional work for a client. You have to erase this one. So what we are going to do now is we are going to pick trim. You can see trim.
Good morning, sir.
So just take the video, scroll like this. So just place it like that. So pick trim. You can see socks and trim. So now when you pick trim, you can see trim, cut, and split. So what do you want to do? Assuming you want to cut, you pick cut. So you can see it. You can pick it and see. You see what they are going to do. You can say split. So what we want to do is trim. We want to trim the video. So from that at the end, that's where we have the Apple Store or Plotagon, all these things. So that's where we want to cut from the end. That's from the right hand side. So you get. So you can see this. You can see this here. So you cut from the right hand side, which is here. You are going to margin it to know. So play it. Let's see.
Good morning, sir.
You can click at the middle to fast. So play it. Let's see.
030886355, or Facebook page @lekxysolution, Instagram @lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's
You need to
contact
play
them
it
right
first.
away.
So you need to play it for before you cut it. If you want to cut, you can see this mark. So this thing is still show there, so you have to adjust it a little to the front a bit. So adjust it a bit. So let's play it like this. Let's see.
Or Facebook page at lekxysolution. Instagram at lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
Let it go back small. Let's test it again. Before you have to get it so that it will end at where the video is end.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So it's like it's okay like that. So
At
that you won't cut part of the
lekxysolution.
video. You test it one by
Instagram
one.
at
I'm still testing now.
lekins_ola.
I can do it. You can see the way I'm
Wow,
moving.
very
It.
good of you. Let's contact them right away.
Squirrela.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
You have to adjust this very well. You'll be watching the last statement. You can see the way I'm trying to get it. So it might take your time. So make sure at least to do avatar is 5K. You understand that.
Solution. Instagram at
So you want to
lekins_ola.
do this.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So let's leave it like this. You understand? You can play it again.
Instagram at lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
I still want to get something.
Instagram at lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So maybe if it is okay like that, you make sure you didn't cut part of the video. So you are going to click on this mark, this white mark, the one at the right side, this white mark. Just click it like this. So you play it from the beginning so you can see it.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, Jessica, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
I sent for you because we need social media manager to handle all our social media and especially for ads and sponsor on Facebook and Instagram.
Sir, I have an idea.
Okay,
Let's get in touch with lekxysolution. They are social media specialists, such like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media ads, website design, software development, graphics and many more. We can contact them or WhatsApp on this number, 08030886355, or Facebook page, at lekxysolution, Instagram, at lekins_ola.
wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So I think you have cut it. It's okay like that. Then what we want to do, you can see Canva, the first one here, Canva. You pick Canva. Now I told you I'm going to explain that on the previous video on avatar animation, the one with this. So when you pick Canva, it will display like you can see the video is fit. So you pick this ratio. So assuming you can see logo of, you can see no frame, 1.1, 4.5. That's what on Instagram. They have everyone all social handle has frame. You have this is for YouTube. So if you pick this one, it will change. If you pick this one, so I prefer you pick this one. That 1.1 because you can also post the video to social media to Instagram. If you understand. So when down, or you can also pick this one. Also, if you pick that one, 4.5, Instagram will accept it. Do you understand? So for me, I prefer this one. So now, before you pick this mark, this white mark, you can see at the top left, right, you can see the logo of Plotagon, very small like that at the top right, you can see logo of Plotagon. So you can at the top you can see pinch to zoom. So just hold your two hand, hold it and zoom it out. You can see it, zoom it out. You hold your phone, you use two hand to zoom it out. When the for you to what we are zooming it out because you want that logo to, you don't want that logo to show. Do you get it? So you try to margin it. So let's see. It's like the logo is not there again. That's first thing to do to remove watermark. You can see that watermark is water. You can see it's still there now. So zoom it a bit. If it is watermark, the watermark is from Plotagon when you do the video. So it's already there. So for you to do professional work, you don't need to show the watermark so that people will not see where you do the video from. Do you understand? So you zoom it out. The watermark Plotagon we have to expand it, and it will not show. So that's for that. Except so that's for that. You pick this white mark. That's first step of removing watermark. If you don't use this zoom, or you go to text. So let's tick this mark first.
Good morning, sir.
Oh, Jessica.
You can see the mark is not there.
Fine, sir.
It's showing small, but they can't see it very well.
Because we need social.
So you can't see it very well. So you pick this mark again. The mark is not there like that. So now you can see music. No, this one is they are passing the message. You don't need to put music. Do you understand? Just go back. I've explained music before. Sticker. If you need sticker there, you can please any sticker. So I don't want to put sticker. You can put sticker. Maybe you want to share anyone. So text. So this text you can put your name on top that watermark, that Plotagon logo. The one I zoom. That's the second way to remove watermark Plotagon logo. You can test, place your text on it so that it won't show, or you zoom it out, anyone. So when you place your text on it, so now let me add text to this one. Let me add text. Lekxysolution. So this is your text. You place it. You can drag it small. You place it at the top. One up here. I do place it at the top. Anywhere you like. How you want it. It depends. You pick this. Beside the mark, that mark, this white mark, you see this thing that is shaking like this, just pick it. So for you to pick any style, if you pick, you can see it. You can see that text. Pick anyone out of it. You can see this one is moving, this one too is moving. So anyone you pick. You can zoom it out like this or drag it. You can place it anywhere. You can place it anywhere. Lekxysolution. So can you see it now? So we place that text there. So this one now, this one I'm moving. Either you want that text to the way it's doing, maybe you want it too fast or something. You can see it's going a bit like that. So if you want it like that, pick this mark. So it will display like this for you. So this first arrow here, you can see Lexi. Left and right there's arrow, so pick the first one at the left. Pick the first one at the left. Video beginning, pick video beginning. At the right, pick the video. Clip video end. It means it will be at the middle. You place it at the middle. Maybe you don't want it to end, that word to end at where the this thing, but always pick video end. You want it to be end. You can see that text will be there at the end of the video. So you can play it, then you see it. So you can see the text is there instead of for me to play in it. So let me just drag it. You can see, you can use your hand to drag it. You can see. So if you like it like that, you press on this sticker, on the mark at right. So it is there already. I've saved like that. So let's play. Just play it and see.
Oh, Jessica, how are you doing?
Fine, sir.
I sent for you because we need social media manager to handle all our social media, and especially for ads and sponsor on Facebook and Instagram.
Sir, I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's get in touch with lekxysolution. They are social media specialists, such like digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media ads, website design, software development, graphics, and many more. We can contact them or WhatsApp on this number, 080308863555, or Facebook page, @lekxysolution, Instagram, @lekins_ola.
Wow, very good of you. Let's contact them right away.
So you can see the text is there till the end of the video. So that's what we need right now. That's what we are going to talk about on this video editing. So we have explained this filter. If you click filter, I want to filter we don't need it here. So trim, split, delete. So all these things I think I've talked about them. So we are done with the video now. So you see save at the right up here. You click save. So pick anyone. I used to pick that 25.4 MB. So pick anyone to save it. So you are saving your video. Your video is saving to your you get your video on your gallery. So after the save, go to gallery. You see your video over there. So your video have saved now. Can you see it? So you go to your gallery to see the video. So thank you very much, everyone. My name is Olamilekon, the CEO lekxysolution. So don't forget to follow us on YouTube, lekxysolution, on Facebook page, lekxysolution, on Instagram, lekins_ola. Thank you very much. In case you have any question, you can call me on this number 08030886355. Let me call it again, 08030886355. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.